Okay, so next question we have is dy upon dx plus x upon 1 plus x square y is equal to under root of x 1 plus x square root, and the conditions given are y of 0 is equal to 0. Then the question is asking y of 1 will be what, right? So options are given like this. So if you observe this, it looks like a linear form, right? Where it is dy upon dx plus this is a py and is equal to this one part is q. This is a linear part. So we know first of all in linear we have to find the integrating factor, that will be e to the power of p dx. And what is our p actually? Our p is actually x 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So when I will solve it, e to the power of x 1 plus x square dx, right? But you see, if I differentiate the denominator, the differentiation of the denominator will actually become 2x, right? And to apply the property where the numerator becomes the differentiation of the denominator, I need here what, 2 at least. So I need in the denominator part, I need 2 here. Since I am multiplying this part by 2, so I have to balance it by dividing by 2, right? Now it is of the form where when you differentiate it, it will become of the form, the numerator will become the differentiation of the denominator, right? And in this way, actually this will become then ln 1 plus x square, correct? And this could be written as finally 1 plus x square to the power half, and since e to the power is log is there, so basically it will become 1 plus x square. So your integrating factor will come actually equal to under root of 1 plus x square. Now solution of differential equation of linear differential equation is of the form y into if is equal to integration of, it will become if into the q part. The q part is this under root of x and under root of 1 plus x square and dx. So simply we will write y into if, that is y into under root of 1 plus x square is equal to the integration of if is what, under root of 1 plus x square, and the q part is here square root of x divided by square root of 1 plus x square dx, correct? Now simply we can cancel under root of 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. So on the right hand side we have only the integration of square root of x, and simply we can integrate y into square root of 1 plus x square and the integration of x to the power half, which is basically it will become x to the power half y into square root of 1 plus x square. This will become x to the power of 1 plus, this will become 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 in the denominator, which will finally become actually 2 by 3. 3 by 2 and it will get, and plus c. Now this is the final solution. Now the condition we will apply is y of 0 is actually 0. So when I will put here 0, I will get the value of c as 0. So there is no need of c here, since we will get the c value as 0. So there directly now we will put y of 1 will be what. So when I will put here 1, I will get here y square root of 1 plus 1 2 is equal to 2 by 3, and if I will put here x value as 1, so I will get only 2 by 3, so there is no need to write 1 to the power 3 by 2, right? Now this root 2 will come, I am doing the rest of the part here, y is equal to, it will become 2 by 3 multiplied by square root of 2, square root of 2 this will cancel, square root of 2 and here you will get square root of 2, so finally we will get y is equal to square root of 2 by 3, right? I hope you got this concept.